Have you heard about this little boy that was stuck in the rubble in Turkey for over 112 hours? This was right after all those earthquakes that happened in Turkey, and the police found him, and what he said will blow your mind. Now, when they found him literally stuck under all of this rubble, they just asked him, how on earth could you survive with no food and no water for 112 hours? And he said that this man dressed in glorious white robes would come to him from time to time and bring him food and water. And you and I know that that person bringing him food and water is Jesus Christ. If you know and believe that miracles still happen today, then subscribe for more.